All right, I got the East to West Silver Lake Edition, LED lighting, solid steps, outdoor TV, mount, speakers. But look at this. This is a great floor plan. I've had this floor plan in the past. Kids love this one. Look at this. You got two XL bunks with storage underneath. You got the bathroom with the sliding door. But look at this. Woo, cold AC. But this, you get 6 beds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry. Dinette sleeper, sofa sleeper, and then you get your own private bedroom. Cold AC. I like this trailer.